Good morning, everybody. Let's proceed our chapter Force and Laws of Motion. Newton's first law has two parts. Yesterday we have completed first part, inertia of rest, and today let's start inertia of motion. It is the internal or inherent property by virtue of it opposes the change, or you can say opposes the state of motion in straight line, that is uniform motion in straight line. For example, let us consider a person sitting in the running vehicles. As person sitting in the running vehicles and suddenly the vehicle stops, the lower portion is in contact with the base of the vehicles, so person will try to be in motion and he fall forward. Lower is attached to the base of the vehicles, so person fall forward. Second, you see daily using in our home the moving fan. Even if you switch off, the fan continued to move because it was moving. It will try to be inertia of motion. So it will move for few seconds and then it will stops. Third, you come when train is moving, a bus is moving and person jumps out from running bus or train. Then as he jumps out, his legs be at rest but body will try to move forward, so he will fall forward face downward. Then you come for example athlete. Athlete is taking a long jump. So you have seen athlete is running from far distance. As he is running, he gains the speed, gains inertia of motion. As he gains inertia of motion, he will able to take a longer jump and he will go from his line. Next you come, the last part is inertia of direction. Inertia of direction is the internal property by virtue of the body unable to change the direction when it is in motion. For example, we are going in vehicle and suddenly the vehicle takes sharp turn. So you have experience, we are also getting swayed outwards. So what happens, our leg is just attached to the base of the vehicles. As vehicles is taking sharp turn, body will try to move in a same direction. So all we are getting like this. So every time you are seeing that, the body will try to continue in its motion. You have seen mudguard. In vehicles, bikes, you have seen mudguard is just upon the wheels. Why it is used to save to protect the cloth of the driver. So whatever the mud is sticking in the mud guard, it will throw off tangentially and the mud will get thrown out and nothing will happen. No dirtiness will be there. So this is the Newton's first law of motion. So what conclusion we have got from Newton's first law of motion? We have got the definition of force. Force is an effort which resists the change in its state. Okay.